Hello friends, peace be upon you. Guys, let me check my computer. Let me check with my binoculars, and see. I want to check if my computer has bloatware. Let me tell you what bloatware is. Bloatware is software that is pre-installed on a device by a manufacturer or vendor. It can be unwanted, hidden, and consume space, which slow down a device and drain battery life. Removing bloatware can free up RAM and improve responsiveness and device performance. Removing bloatware can free up storage space for more vital files or software. Removing bloatware can reduce unnecessary strain on system resources. So, we can easily remove all the bloatware with one command. So, let's start the video. You have to click on the Windows Start button. And Windows PowerShell has to search. And it has to be run as administrator. So, it will ask you for permission to run, so you have to click on Yes. After that, you have to write this command in Windows PowerShell. I will give this command in the description. You can copy and paste it from there. This is that command, irusab https://git.io/debloat. After writing this, you will press enter. This will open your debloat options. This is the Windows 10 debloater. Here you have to click on remove all bloatware. After clicking, you can see on the left that the bloatware has started to be removed. As I have told before, bloatware is unwanted software that comes pre-installed on IT devices. It is often unnecessary or harmful software that slows down your computer, introduces vulnerabilities, and consumes battery power. And these are applications that we never use. Some windows will pop up while the bloatware is being removed. And finally, you will get a message of finish all tasks. Now, if you want to disable Cortana, you can do that too. And if you ever need Cortana later, you can enable it using the same command. And if you don't use OneDrive, so you can also uninstall OneDrive from here. I don't use OneDrive, so I'm uninstalling it. And it has started uninstalling OneDrive. Right now there is this message that says, uninstalling OneDrive, please wait. And you can check the debloater options in the meantime. You can also remove the bloatware registry keys. So now, I've got this message that OneDrive has been successfully uninstalled. Now here is option of the disable telemetry/tasks. You can also disable it here. Telemetry tasks in Windows refers to background processes that automatically collect and send data about your system usage, device specifications, app performance, and potential errors to Microsoft servers. And finally, you will get a message that telemetry has been disabled. This way, you can remove unnecessary things like telemetry tasks, or OneDrive, which is unnecessary for me, or bloatware. Bloatware in particular slows down Windows. So, we have removed all the bloatware from Windows with one command. After that, we will simply close it. And we'll also close PowerShell. And we will restart Windows. So, now you will feel that your Windows has become much faster. I hope you like this video on how to remove bloatware. And I will write this command in the description. You can use it by copying and pasting from there. You can benefit by removing bloatware. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.